Part 3 of Al-Ulum fil Quran, Science in the Holy Quran. You are welcome back. Formation of rain. How does rain fall? Allah says in the Holy Quran, Surah An-Nur, chapter 24, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم ألم تر أن الله يزجي سحابا ثم يؤلف بينه ثم يجعله ركاما فترى الودق يخرج من خلاله ألم تر أن الله ṣé rẹ Muhammadu rí ni pé dájúdájú Ọlọ́run ọba yusji sahaban òun ló máa ń darí ẹ̀sùn òjò thumma yu'allifu baynahu lẹ́yìn ìgbà náà yóò kó wọn jọ thumma yaj'aluhu rukama thumma yaj'aluhu rukama lẹ́yìn ìgbà náà á wá sọ wọ́n di odidi ẹ̀sùn òjò fatarol wadqa yakhruju min khilalihi nígbà náà wà á rí àwọn ẹ̀kan omi ẹ̀kan òjò tí ó mọ tara rẹ̀ jáde látara ẹ̀sùn òjò náà. Now this verse now explain on the formation of rain. In this verse, the scientists they agree to it, they affirm it. They explain that before a rain is formed and starts falling down, it passes through 5 stages. First is evaporation. After evaporation, the second stage is water vapor transport. The third stage is condensation. The fourth stage is cloud development, while the fifth stage is precipitation. Let's take it one by one. Evaporation. Evaporation means that when the sun heats the water of the ocean, seas, river, stream, then the heat of the sun turns this water into water vapor. This water vapor is now transported to the atmosphere, and that is the second stage. And that is what called evaporation. It's the process by which the sun heats the water of the stream, ocean, seas, lakes, and turns them into water vapor. Then the next stage is that the wind now transports this water vapor into the atmosphere. The water vapor is in a gaseous state. After that, the next is condensation. This water vapor, having gone to the atmosphere, it will now cool. It cools down and form cloud. And that is how cloud is formed. So condensation is the process by which cloud is formed through the process of what? Of cooling down of the water vapor. And the next stage, which is the fourth, is the cloud development. After the formation of cloud, the cloud keep on growing, developing larger, growing, till it is full. At this stage, it is called dense cloud, heavy cloud. The last stage is precipitation. Precipitation simply means rain, falling of rain. The tiny droplet inside the heavy cloud, dense cloud, collide with one another. Then the water starts coming down from them, which is rain. Then the rain starts falling on the earth. So this is what is explained in that verse, chapter 24, Surah An-Nur. The first stage, again, is evaporation. Follows it, water vapor transport by wind. Follows it, condensation. Follow it, cloud development. And lastly, precipitation. That is for rain formation. Another aspect is lightning and thunder. Lightning and thunder. How this occur? Allah says in the Quran, Surah Ar-Ra'd, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم هو الذي يريكم البرق خوفا وطمعا وينشئ السحاب الثقال ويسبح الرعد بحمده والملائكة من خيفته هو الذي يريكم البرق Ọlọ́run ọba ló mú mọ̀nàmọ́ná ṣẹ́yọ khawfan wa tam'a kó lè bá máa jẹ́ ìbẹ̀rù àti ìrètí òjò fọ́mọnìyàn. Wa yunshi'u sahaba thiqal òun ló tún máa ń kó ẹ̀sùn òjò jọ tó sọ di odidi. Wa yusabbihu ar-ra'du bihamdihi àti pé ààrá wọ́n ń ṣe àfọ̀mọ́ fún Ọlọ́run ọba wal malaikatu àtàwọn màláíkà wọ́n ń ṣe àfọ̀mọ́ fún min khifati sábà kí wọ́n bẹ̀rù ìyà Ọlọ́run ọba. This verse now explain on how lightning and thunder occur. Scientifically, they agree to it that there are 4 things that we derive from lightning and thunder, as stated in the verse. First is what is fear. It's fear. So when the lightning appears, it creates fear for human being. Create fear that what will happen after this? It's a sign of fear. Then hope. It's a sign of hope of rain. Whenever we see lightning, appearance of lightning, we surely realize that rain seems to rain. Rain is about to rain. So you see, it's a sign of rain, hope of rain. Then it causes fear to human being. The scientists now added one to it, which is what? Danger. So in addition to the verse, lightning causes danger. How this occur? Say they are proof it that when there is lightning, inside the heavy cloud, we have positive and negative charges. These 2 charges, when they separate, then they result to sudden discharge of electricity. Sudden electrical discharge, which is called lightning. The arad is a sudden noise made before rain. So this arad now glorifies Almighty Allah, which means that sudden noise known as rod, thunder, is a means of glorification of Almighty Allah. Wa yusabbihu ar-ra'du bihamdihi, it glorifies Almighty Allah. So as well as the angels. In conclusion, lightning and thunder create 4 things. First, fear. Second, danger. Third, hope of rain. Then the last one is glorification of Almighty Allah. Stay tuned. In the next we shall continue. Thanks.